In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no relief. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Alright, so we have some green onion from the garden. We'll use that for my salad today. I mean, as you can see, the basil's pushing. I'm going to water it later. And in the garden, I had transplanted the onion that was in the pot into the garden. And you see the green onion shooting up there? And we have some extra produce that's pushing out. And celery. Yeah! Slowly but surely. And we have here the peas that are pushing up. I have here the mosquito net that I purchased at a gardening store. And so far, yeah, that's underneath the mosquito. I'm just showing you underneath there. Keep the mosquitoes away or any bugs. All right. So I'm going to use this green onion for my salad today. I'm going to show you some recipe, avocado dressing. So we have here lemon. We have the parsley for the dressing, a whole avocado. In this dressing, we have the oat milk, unsweetened that is, and some garlic. You want to use 2, or you could use 1. It's up to you. And we have the sea salt, the turmeric, organic turmeric powder, non-GMO, non-irrigated, irradiated. And we have the measuring cup to measure the oat milk, and some organic honey. All right, so I have half a cup of oat milk. I'm gonna pour it into this mixture here. And I have here the garlic. I put 2. Very high for the boost, immune boosting, very alkaline. We have also 1 whole lemon, freshly squeezed. Lemon is very alkaline. And an amazing neutral fruit. We also add the 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Then we add the teaspoon of parsley. And we have a teaspoon of turmeric. We add that in the mixture. And lastly, we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of honey. All right, so as you can see, it's nice and creamy and ready to serve and use. We have the freshly sprouted lentils. Bon appetit! Good, eh? Yummy! Very good.
Yummy.
Well, he's a big critic. Enjoy! The avocado dressing is not in my book. However, feel free to get a copy on Amazon. Feel free to comment if you did try this at home and what did you think of it. And may God bless you, and thank you once again for your support. We have here, quickly, lentil burgers, homemade, kale, some fresh cabbage and organic carrot with tomato sauce, rice, brown rice. Matthew's enjoying it. You have your flaxseed, your granola cereal. We have your lentils for the protein. Praise God.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take Him, O sin.